Alrighty, we got a 3S Lipo that's bad. It's fully charged.
Yeah, it
So we're going to run a nail through it and see what happens. What could go wrong?
Ready?
Yep. Pay attention to what you're doing. Oops. That was a fail. Whoa! Cool. Sorry about the...
Cooper, leave it.
I wasn't expecting it that
It's
fast.
puffing.
What?
It's puffing.
It's puffing. That was unexpected. You got me. Wow. Be careful, Jake.
Is that only the first cell? Yeah, that was only one cell.
I don't know. Just let it burn.
I'll
Try.
hit it again.
What? Whoop. Woo! Stay back. It's like sizzling. So that's fully charged. Definitely making some smoke.
It's following me!
Yeah, it's a little windy today. A little dangerous. Is it safe to walk up, you think?
No.
Oh. Sorry.
What?
You're whacking it again. Can you give it another one? Whoop.
Oh, that's on fire.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, I would say this is
Pretty well burnt out. Is that one? That one looks like it's got some life left in it. So.
Oops.
They broke the cinder block. Jeez.
That all went to crap.
Well, I mean, it looks like we got one cell that could use a little love. Whoa! Cool!
Finally.
That was the last cell. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, those things are nothing to mess around with, I guess. Is there another cell in that
Here?
inside? See,
Where?
the one that's inside the brick. Kind of push that out. Is that an unburned cell?
No, I think it's just wrapping.
Oh.
That was kind of cool.
So, the lesson is
Screw around with Lipo batteries. No!
Lipo batteries mean
Are
business.
fun.
Jake, be careful. Can you put your safety glasses down? But yeah, the lesson is Lipo batteries, I guess, are pretty dangerous. There you go.